Hello guys, this is Knut in Norway. I will try this tire truer for Slotcars from Process Innovation. It's quite a simple thing, but I will try to figure out if it works according to my needs. I have more or less found out how this thing works. So I will try this. We have a pad here with a rough surface to use on the tires. This is the 1/24 scale Carrera Digital cars. This is the 1/32 scale, similar to what you find on Skylectric's vehicles. You do a little at a time to get the best result. This improving, I don't know what the camera pick up of this, but it's starting to get much more even tear on the tires here. I think I will try this car on and see how it works now. It looks a lot better. There are some pollutions from these operations, but not so much. It also comes with a rougher surface, and this pad for, I suppose, cleaning the tires. Okay, I will now go and try the cars, and I get back to you with a report on how this thing turned out to be. This car seems to have a much smoother ride on the track now. I think I can say this to be a success already now. When I get it on manual power and start to push it, I think it will be a lot easier to drive faster than what it was